Security experts and critical stakeholders in Edo North senatorial district converged on the secretariat of Issaquah West local government to brainstorm on ways to tackle insecurity at the grassroots. Addressing the various stakeholders, Governor Godwin Obaseki emphasized that security is a complex issue that must be tackled holistically.
I'm pleased to inform you that Edo State now has an anti-grazing law, and I signed it into law on the 27th of May this year. It is not a political document. It's a document we've put in place to help us deal with a serious issue in the state. The law is to prohibit open grazing of cattle and any other livestock in Edo State and create designated ranching areas for the rearing and grazing of cattle and other livestock in the state. It is to control and regulate the rearing and grazing of cattle and other livestock in designated ranching areas in Edo State. It is to eliminate conflict between nomadic cattle headers and their agents and the local breeders, owners, communities, farmers, and private individuals and institutions. The law is to eliminate land degradation, air and water pollution, loss of biodiversity, deforestation, and other menaces arising from open grazing.
Mr. Obaseki, who warned that all unregistered markets will be shut down, said unregistered vehicles plying different routes in the state before the 1st of September 2022 will be impounded and owners prosecuted.
And we're coming up with a law soon that every community must come and register their land interest. We have laws in the state, and so the security councils of each local government must put in place a mechanism to make sure that we know those people who are providing transport services, either in the form of keke napeps or okada, and even taxis. Nobody has the right to go and stay in any forest which has not been allocated to him or her. So nobody has any business being in our forests. And anybody we find there must be dislodged. We are launching an Edo State resident identity. Anybody who is resident in Edo State must have an identity card. You cannot sell to any person. You cannot lodge any person in your hotel. You cannot do business without knowing who the person is.
The governor was at Iruwa, the administrative headquarters of Esan Central Local Government Area in Edo Central Senatorial District, where he met with stakeholders on security matters to chart a way forward to improve security.
Every of our responsibility is under you security-wise. Your Excellency, you have a lot to do. A lot to do. Talk to your security men. Let them be standing by the citizens of Edo State.
Traditionally, that if we want all this insecurity to stop in our domains, respectively, Operation Deliver Your Domain, Protect Your Domain, we can do it. We know what to do. We know the traditional means to do. We don't even need AK-49. We don't need AK-47. We can send bees into the bush.
Patience Osarogiuwa reporting.